Hi guys, this is Tracy. Today I'm going to show you how to ungroup and attach this week's free Valentine Gnome Hugs and Kisses SVG. Like with all the other projects, if you guys want to change the colors, you absolutely can do that. I'm going to work with what we have here, but just so that you're aware, like I always say, what you see on your screen is just for visual purposes. So the color of your project will be whatever vinyl choices you pick when you go to make it. So this is just for visual purposes, unless of course you're printing, then whatever you see on your screen is what's going to print. So let's go ahead and make this a little smaller so we've got a little bit of area to work with here. I want to ungroup this first, and I'm actually going to go through and I'm going to ungroup everything to make it easier for us. So if something is grouped, I'm going to ungroup it, and then we'll go back through and attach everything. The feet I don't really need to worry about. Let's see here. This needs to be ungrouped. Okay, I think I have everything. So group that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through and all the black letters back here are all the same colors, the H, the G, and the S, and his pants are also black. So I'm going to attach all the black colors, all the wording, and his pants. I'm going to click this button here, hit my shift key, and find the rest of the black. Holding down my shift key, I'm just grabbing all the black right here. I think I have all of it. Then click attach, and then I want to hide this. And notice that there's no black left. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with my red. First thing I want to do is I want to ungroup this, so I make sure that I'm grabbing everything correctly. I'm going to grab all my hearts. There's this one, hit my shift button, and click as I go down, and then I release and scroll down to find his little feet here, and the hat. And I want to attach that, and then I want to hide it. The reason that I did not attach the arrow right here is because that's laying on top of a color. And you want to make sure that that's separate, because when you lay these down, this heart arrow or this red arrow is not going to get laid down the same time that you lay down the rest of the red. So I would cut that separately, but let's go ahead and hide that. Now I want to take this pink heart and this U, which is also a heart, and I want to attach that, and I'm going to hide it. And I'm going to take the little white dots here, the white, gray, whatever color you want to make them. And I'm going to grab this cluster, this one, and I'm also going to grab his beard. And I want to attach that. And then hide it. And when it comes to his nose and his hands, if you want to attach them, so you can. That one, again, is personal preference. Okay, and now we're going to bring everything back, and I will show you how I would lay it if I was making this project. Sure, I got everything here, a little heart. Okay, so the first thing I would do, I would take the black, and grab it here, and I would lay this down first. This would be the first part of your project. Then I would come back and I would lay the red on top of that. And you can kind of see where it goes here, the little notches that are in there. Okay, then I would press that on, and then I would come through and I would put this on, this little beard and the little dots right there. And then I would do, let's bring this to the front. That part. And then you're going to put the arrow on. Again, you can see where the little notches are, so you know where it goes. Let's bring that to the front. And then I would put his, bring that to the front, his little nose and hands on. Okay, that's how I'd press if I was going ahead to make this project. Go ahead and make it. And remember, if you're going to put this on, if you're going to use HTV, you need to make sure that you mirror all your mats here. You need to go through and mirror. Or if you know that you're using HTV, you could make it easier on yourself, and you can go ahead and grab this here. You can grab this whole thing, and then you can take this and you can flip it, now that it's going to be mirrored when you go to make it. But that's just an option, so if you're somebody who forgets to mirror your projects, this is a great little tip. All right, let's bring it back here. Okay, and then these are all the panels that you would need, all your mats for your project. But that's it for this week's project, guys. Hope you like it. You can find it on the website along with the fonts, the names of the fonts that I use that are also linked. This is design number 137 in the freebie library. If you guys decide to make it, I would love to see it. Make sure you come on over to the Facebook group and show it off, because you guys know I love seeing what you guys make. Don't forget, you can change the project colors if you like. You know, that's the best part about crafting. You can do whatever it is that makes you happy. Have a great day, guys. I appreciate you, and thanks so much for being here.